Welcome to our guide on how to open the Explore page on Instagram, updated for 2025. If you're looking to discover new content and connect with fresh accounts, the Explore page is your go-to destination. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. The app's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through its features. Once you're in the app, look for the Explore icon, which resembles a magnifying glass. This icon is located at the bottom menu of your screen. Simply tap on it and you'll be taken to the Explore page. This section is designed specifically for discovering new content tailored to your interests. Now that you're on the Explore page, take a moment to browse through the various categories available. Instagram curates this content based on your interactions and preferences, so you'll see posts that align with what you like. You can scroll through photos, videos, and reels that may pique your interest. The Explore page is a treasure trove of inspiration, featuring everything from trending topics in music and fashion to niche hobbies and lifestyle tips. If you want to refine your search further, utilize the search bar at the top of the Explore page. Here, you can enter keywords or hashtags related to specific interests or themes. This feature allows you to find content that resonates with you even more closely. Remember, each time you engage with posts, whether by liking, commenting, or sharing, you help Instagram understand your preferences better. This interaction will enhance your future browsing experience by displaying more relevant content on your Explore page. In summary, opening and navigating the Explore page on Instagram is straightforward. Just open the app, tap on the Explore icon at the bottom menu, and start browsing through a world of personalized content designed just for you. Happy exploring!